Hey Garden, welcome to my YouTube channel, TheChosenRose. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. But if you are new here, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And for everyone that finds this juicy, soft lip care routine helpful, like this video and leave a comment down below. Today I will be showing you all a very simple lip scrub that you can make in the comfort of your home using ingredients that you will most likely already have in your kitchen. And I will also share 2 other quick tips for maintaining soft lips. All you will need to create the perfect lip scrub is 2 tablespoons of sugar for the exfoliating factor of the scrub, a drop of honey which will naturally hydrate, moisturize, and heal your lips. It also has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing properties. You will need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice for brightening purposes. You will also need a small bowl, a mixing spoon or stick, and to get the perfect mixture, you will need 2 measuring spoons, 1 for measuring 1 tablespoon and 1 for measuring 1 teaspoon. So the teaspoon will be for the lemon juice, as I mentioned previously, and the tablespoon will be for the sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop up 2 tablespoons of sugar and put it in the bowl. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the sugar. Lastly, I will add a drop of honey to the mixture. Now we are going to mix this all together until it's a nice thick lip scrub. For storage purposes, if you buy the travel pack set of bottles, it'll usually come with this small container in which you can put the lip scrub inside of this small container, or you can simply buy these small containers by themselves, and I'll have all of that linked down below. Also, that is not the lip scrub inside of that container. I just grabbed that small container to show you all that you can store the lip scrub inside of this small convenient container. You can also use a Blistex container if you have one lying around and it's almost empty. You can just rinse it out and wash it and then put the lip scrub inside of that container. After using the lip scrub, I would highly recommend using this Aquaphor healing ointment. It's for dry, cracked, or irritated skin, and it's clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. It is also fragrance-free, and what I love the most about this is that it has no taste. So you don't have to worry about putting it on your lips and having some weird, awkward taste in your mouth. It has no taste, you guys. So I think this is perfect to use on your lips after the lip scrub and just for everyday use. On the back, it also states that it's for dry, cracked skin, dry hands and cuticles, cracked heels and feet, minor cuts and scrapes, friction and minor burns, diaper rash, drool rash, and last but not least, chapped lips. So you guys, this is perfect for moisturizing and healing your lips. It has also been recommended by doctors, so I am recommending it to you all. My second recommendation will of course be this Blistex. It works just as good as the Aquaphor. The only thing I don't like is that it does have a taste, but it does heal your lips just like Aquaphor does, and it also has a nice cooling effect. So I would recommend this as well, but just keep in mind it does have a taste. Now you want to wipe off anything that you already have on your lips. Then you want to take some of the lip scrub and apply it to your lips in a circular motion. So you want to exfoliate your lips in a circular motion. I also do side to side just because I like to exfoliate in every direction, but it is recommended to exfoliate in a circular motion. You want to exfoliate your lips from anywhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, but you want to make sure that you're only exfoliating your lips once a week because you do not want to over exfoliate and damage your lips. Now you want to leave this scrub on your lips for about 1 minute. Now you can either wipe the lip scrub off of your lips, or you can do my favorite, because all of the ingredients are edible. You can lick it right off of your lips. Yes, you can just lick it off, and you guys, it tastes so good. So when you make this lip scrub, don't be tempted to eat the entire thing. Trust me, you're gonna be tempted. Don't do it. Just lick off what you already have on your lips and store the rest away for later. The last step is to apply the Aquaphor Healing Ointment to your lips. And you want to apply this every day. And it's also recommended to apply this overnight so that it could work its magic while you are sleeping. You also want to apply it around your lips. So not just your lips, but around your lips as well. Boom! Now you have some soft, juicy lips, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop my second tip. My second tip is that you can also exfoliate your lips with your toothbrush. So after you brush your teeth, you wanna make sure that you rinse your toothbrush before exfoliating your lips with it, because the toothpaste can overly dry out your lips. So brush your teeth, rinse your toothbrush, and then exfoliate your lips with your toothbrush. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like and comment down below. If you are a returning subscriber, once again, thank you all for coming back and watching my video. But if you are new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Later, garden.